Hi guys! Another unboxing na naman tayo ng Labubu. This is the version 3. Sure. Ayan yung mga colors nila. So, ayun. May legit yan That's a legit Labubu. Galing pa Pop Mart. Ito yung box niya. And there's another one Labubu, but this is the version 1. Pag-unbox na ako nito before. Si Macaroons. Macaroon siya, diba? But anyway, this is the unboxing for Labubu version 3. So, unbox na natin. Okay. Iba na po ang tawag sa kanya. So, anyway. Okay, guys. Begin to energy. Hindi naman yung box. Ayun na, mag-unboxing na tayo, guys. Begin to energy. 1, 2, 3. Ay, ang cute. Kulay green na Labubu siya, guys. Begin to energy. Code ay harap. Code side. Begin to energy pala siya. Ang cute ng black. Ay, may black siya. So anyway, this is green. Ayan. So, wala naman siyang name. Serenity. The name is Serenity. 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 Ano yung pangalan niya? Ang cute din Parang 3D yung eyes nitong Labubu na to compare sa version 1 tsaka version 2. Kasi mukhang, basta mukha siyang 3D, nag-glow din yung eyes. And thank you for watching this unboxing video of Labubu Begin to Energy.